begin repairs at dawn. This plane will fly again.
Agreed. The hydraulics are my priority.
And I'll work on the navigation systems. The vibration metrics are off the charts. We have catastrophic failure at the intake.
How long before we can get this stabilized?
Air is severe. Primary systems are completely unresponsive.
The thermal reading here is critical. It exceeds the limit in the current configuration.
We can add a heat shield here, Daniel, and reinforce this junction.
Watch your step on that strut, son. Careful of the stress fracture near the flap. Okay, Luis, engine repair is priority 1. Aisha, start the electrical diagnostic with the tablet.
Aisha, what are the pressure readings?
They're fluctuating rapidly, Daniel. I need that blade secured now, Luis. Almost there, just hold it steady. Brace yourselves! Luis, hurry with that panel! Everyone get low! We have to ride this out.
The stress fracture is widening at the bulkhead. We need more tension on the lower straps.
We're losing it! Pull harder, Luis! I think I got the knot. Keep going, Luis. Steady now. We have rotation. Pressure stabilizing. All right, ease it back. Good work. System stabilizing. Power engaging.
Look at that. It's actually holding.
Flight systems confirmed stable, ready for takeoff.
All right, everyone aboard. We're running out of time. Move!
Set takeoff power.
Power set. Airspeed alive.
Unstable airspeed. We are approaching V1 speed. Warning, terrain ahead.
Rotate.
Positive rate. Confirmed lift.
Irregular readings on engine 2, Captain. The vibration is getting worse.
I see it. Maintain altitude and monitor the fuel flow.
We're losing oil pressure fast.
We have severe system instability on the number 2 engine.
Counterclockwise on the bypass valve, Luis. Now.
It won't budge.
Try the larger wrench. We're losing altitude.
Descent rate 6,000 feet per minute. Airspeed 290. Approaching maximum structural limits, Captain.
Final systems check complete. We're down. Good job, team. We made it. Oh, we actually made it.